You're looking for light over your property, boatyard, camper, RV, shed, anywhere imaginable. This is a 3,200 watt, 120,000 lumens. Check online for further detail about the street light and the packages that are available. In this kit, you have a user's manual. Go over. A pole, brackets and cover for the pole, and a hardware kit that has a remote control, screws and batteries, and a tool. Place in your AAA batteries. Going over the remote control, your off, LED indicator, on, your 20, 50, 75, 100%, and to set up the motion sensor with a timer from 2, 3, 5, 6, and 8 hours. Metal poles are optional to hang on. We're going to hang on a wooden pole, show you how it looks at nighttime. The anchor supports go into a wall. The nuts and bolts go in the back of the pole system to lock down. And these are the bolts and nuts we use to hang the pole to the base mount. On the back of the solar street light, we have the solar array system. It collects the sun all day long, charges the unit. Over here, this is where you're going to put on your bracket, like so. You're going to take a bolt, a washer, place on, into the hole, place a locking washer, and a nut. While we see the solar street light display window, we have 3 colors of indication of power of 6 lights, and on and off, the PIR sensor and the remote sensor. If we hit the on button, the light should come on with a green, blue, and red light in the indication. We could turn off the unit and on the unit, and we could go in different increments of 100, 75, 50, 25%, and then hit the timer, and then hit the PIR sensor that will sense the motion. Now that we've gone over the unit and tested to see if it works by covering the solar array panel that collects your sun all day, the next step is to go outside and hang the pole up. We have a pole mounting to any place on a pole wall. It's easy as finding a spot, placing in your bolts, and locking down. With the sun rays facing to the ceiling, slide on and over the pole. When everything is all secured, all the bolts, nuts, and your lights are charging, come back in the evening hour. As you can see, it's collecting sun all day long, allowed to charge for a few days before turning on. Then hit the on button and use the remote. Hanging on a pole, you have a range of a distance about 28 feet to use your remote control. The height can be anywhere from 8 to 20 plus feet for the throw and the radius that the light shines per square feet. Check online for further details about the product or products that you are looking for in this street lamp. In the evening hours, when this collects all the sun in a couple of days, we'll show you what it looks like. And then you'll make a decision if this product may be right for you. So let's show you what it looks like at night. The solar street light, turn it on 100% and set it up for motion. At 100%, we wait for 30 seconds. The light would dim down or shut off until motion is activated once again. When motion is detected, it goes off and it picked me right up in a great distance. In increments of 25, 50, 75, and 100%, we are on 25. Go to the next setting. And so forth. You can see the difference in the light quality. With the different percentages of 25, 75, 50, and 100. If you're looking for a 3200 watt, 6000 plus, 120,000 lumens street light with a motion sensor, dusk to dawn, this product may be right for you. Check out online for further details about the models you are after, and I hope you enjoy your product if this is what you are after. Thank you for viewing.